dancing on your shoulder. Laughter like a prayer I'd known before. You walked in like a promise kept, soft as grace and strong enough to hold. We didn't rush, we didn't chase, just trusted what we couldn't see. Now every glance feels like amen, and every touch a melody. This love is your yes after the wait. Each moment seems what faith held true. You brought the joy I dreamed in prayer and placed it gently into view. Hand in mind on evening walks, breakfast shared with morning praise. Not perfect, but it's holy ground, where heaven meets our everyday. This love is your yes after the wait. No longer just a hope I cry. You will fall story out bread by bread, and called it good, perfectly aligned. Remember when I knelt alone? That's what peace, not knowing you sent home. Not just comfort, but a heart aligned with yours, with